I'm Chris with Tactical Aviation. The FAA is coming out with some new nighttime regulations starting this March. Obstacle avoidance is desirable for small UAS and is a challenging problem since most payload constraints only present monocular cameras and obstacles cannot be directly observed. There has been a significant amount of work in making unmanned aerial vehicles aware of their environment and behave in an intelligent manner. When the size of an object in front of the SUAS is expanding, it means that the object is approaching the SUAS. The response is proportional to the time to collision by measuring the expansion of the obstacle. Situational awareness is a skill necessary to both ground and in-flight operations. Knowing where you are and where other traffic is operating. Knowing where you will be and where other traffic will be. Recognize those high hazard areas. Focus the eye at 10-degree increments at a time, about a second or two when looking for traffic. Vision can be affected by different levels of illumination. Bright illumination, reflected off clouds, water, or snow and desert terrain that produce glare resulting in eye strain. Dim illumination, small print and colors on aeronautical charts and aircraft instruments become unreadable. Dark adaptation, the eyes must have at least 20 to 30 minutes to adjust to reduced light conditions. Red light helps night vision, however it distorts color. Pilots should be aware of the type of airspace in which they intend to operate in order to comply with the flight rules applicable to that airspace. Thank you, and I'll see you next lesson.